So in this question, we have an inscribed circle within a square, and we might need to draw that just to kind of see that the diameter of the circle is going to be exactly equal to each of the sides of the square. Now they want to know the perimeter of the square, so for the perimeter we'd have to take 4 times the diameter of the circle, and what we're given for the circle is the circumference. Now if you know the definition of pi, so pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to the diameter of that circle, using that definition, if the circumference is 25 pi, then the diameter must be 25. And therefore the correct answer is 4 times 25, or 100. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.